Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you have someone in your life who has quite the collection of hats, you are going to absolutely love this hat organizer.
HAYVAN has made acrylic hat racks that can store up to 7 caps a piece, and they will absolutely change your organization of your hats once you have these. They are so perfect. There's no setup. Look at this transformation of my husband's hat area. He has his hats up in his office room, but then he has his quick grab and goes that he loves to have down in our mudroom. I am obsessed with these. You can either choose to put sticky feet so they can be stuck in place, or a grippy foot so they're not going to slide around. And they are so easy to organize, and they help protect your hats and keep them looking fantastic.
So, if you either love your hats or love organizing, you're going to love these hat organizers. I super recommend them, and that's my point of view.